Good afternoon, Ken here with Ultralight, and I'm going to do a video on Cardellini clamps. So Cardellini clamps are usually something that the cinematography industry uses. And the reason being is it's basically a clamp that you can tighten down and clamp onto something. Although, because they're made out of stainless steel and cast aluminum, this could be a good choice for some underwater photographers that want to place a light or maybe a slave strobe somewhere and attach it, something that you can attach it to. So it could be a good idea, and I'll show you in just a few what I'm talking about with that. So anyways, we sell 4 different Cardellini clamps. We sell the CARD-MC, the CARD-MMC, the CARD-SMC, and the CARD-SMMC. And I know that sounds confusing because it gets confusing for me. But the difference being is, so you have 4 different kinds. We have 2 that have a 1/4-20 threaded hole in it, and you would attach a BAHB to those. And one is a narrow jaw, which is 7/8 in width, and the other one is about 1 3/4. Then you have 2 different ones that have 3/8 male thread. So you would take this 80-38-16 and attach it to either of those. And again, you have the wide jaw or the narrow jaw. So even though these look different in height, the threaded part that the clamp will open is the same on all these clamps, which I'm not sure, that looks like maybe 1.5 inches or something like that. But anyways, the whole idea of these is to clamp it onto something, tighten it down, and it will stay on there really tight. So in just a moment, I'll show you a couple uses on how to use these. All right, I'm going to show you a few examples of these card clamps now. So a lot of the cinematography guys use these to mount monitors similar to this, and you can go however you want. And as long as you have some kind of rail or flat surface you can attach these to, they work great. So there is a couple other uses though. These are made out of cast aluminum and stainless steel, so they would work underwater as well. So here's a couple more examples. You could easily use one of these to attach to a boat or wherever. Let's say you want to use your GoPro and do a lengthy, like time-lapse type video. So you could easily mount the GoPro wherever you wanted, turn it on, and leave it. So the other thought is, some people do wreck photography or caverns. Of course, this isn't going to work so much in a cavern because you have to attach this to something. But as far as the wreck goes, there's lots of railings and places. You could mount a slave strobe or light somewhere off in the distance, turn it on, and you wouldn't even have to worry about somebody taking care of that for you. You'd have it taken care of. So anyways, this works out great. And this is our brand new AC-CSL XL clamp. So the standard clamp is 4 inches in length. This one is 6. And what's nice about this clamp is you can actually use this in place of an arm and 2 more clamps. As you see, the distance is almost, or the height is almost the same, and this clamp works great because you can move it all over the place. So this is a brand new clamp. It's on our website now. And other than that, here's a few examples of how you can use the card clamps. You can think of probably a lot of other uses. And other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.